We are very proud to be part of this exhibition. We are the partners for the air purifier for the exhibition.
So I have been very confident with the SOP in place because we do from time to time see people walking around with signboards saying to have a social distance and keep reminding. So that's a very good reminders in the exhibition, and everyone is wearing masks, and also I'm very confident with the SOP in place.
The organizers are taking extra precautionary steps for us to do this RTK test and everything, and make sure that everybody is healthy enough to enter the exhibition. So I do feel safe and secured, and even though there's a lot of people, but everybody is maintaining the distance at the same time. And even though our booth is always filled with people during this exhibition, but I do feel safe and secured because of all the SOPs and procedures in place right now.
Become a norm that we live with the virus. I believe that we are also very much trained to actually take care of the all the protocols in place.
Throughout these 2 years, right, being locked down, I think we feel more relief now. Things are getting back in the market momentum. It started to rebuild up, and then we as an exhibitor will continue to expand and then to showcase more of our technology to the public.
This is a platform to showcase not only local product as well as from overseas. So we can see a lot of technologies, a lot of innovation, advancement, especially this SDG.